Manusmrti and Bhagavad Gita from the 14th of the 8th month of 1446. Devotion may have to be added to the epics. Specialization addresses each of the mystics. Religion, the worldly business, and the experiential are the goals of the ethnic. Hinduism has never been one religion, but families. Dramatic forms contain the morals of the levels of society. Do these address or just represent purity? Drastic to some would be to go beyond mere government. Additions and subtractions are made to make them possible situations. In a sense, debate ends in the community when the form is set for attainment. And the Manava Dharmasastra, or Manusmrti, is the laws of Manu. And it's thought to be as old as 1250 BCE. As far as the evidence, it could be older, it could be younger. And originally, there were about 100,000 verses and 1,080 chapters. But the divisions and such have changed over time. The Bhagavad Gita was a later addition to the Mahabharata, and it's probably the most famous of the Hindu scriptures. I mean, the most well-known and all that.